Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I am back with a voiceover. We are dipping into Makeup Revolution Party Vibes palette. So I'm going to go ahead and do a tutorial and also give you my thoughts on the palette. So yeah, let's keep on watching. So this right here is the palette. It's nice, it's popping. So yeah, I'm going to dip into it. Alright, so I have my eyes prime. I'm using P. Louise in the shade Rumor 0.5. This is my go-to. And I'm also using my eye spawn powder. I'm using that to set the eye base. Alright, so next I'm going in with that purple shade. And I'm just going to apply that, you know, in the middle of my eyebrow as I'm showing you guys. And I'm just going to get it thick and whatnot. Next, I'm going in with a dense brush, but it's soft at the ends. I'm going to use that to get rid of that line of demarcation so I can add the color on top. Next, I'm going in with that middle pink shade. I'm going to add that on top of the purple and blend it out so it can have, you know, a nice blended effect. Also keep in mind you may have to go in several times repeating this step so that you can get it as pigmented as you want it to be. Next I'm going in with my P. Louise base again, and I'm just going to use that to cut my crease. Alright, so I have both the creases done. Now I'm about to go with my lid colors. Those are just going to be like a speed through, but I'm going to show you the color I'm using. Next, I'm using my NYX eyeliner, and then I'm going to throw on my lashes. Next, I'm just doing my face on camera, so this is also going to be a speed through. I'll see you guys at the end. Hey y'all, so I am back with the final look. This is how it's looking. Now I was going to wear another wig, but I have it clipped right there. I don't know, I think it looks better with black, so I just went with this color. So overall, I do like this palette. It blended well. I had minimum fallout. The colors were pigmented. They were easy to blend. I wish the pink and the purple were more darker, but you can darken it up a bit, but it still turned out pretty good. So, you know, I'm not gonna be too picky, but I really do like the palette. For $9, it is a great value and you do get a great deal. So I'm not gonna knock that. But yeah, y'all, my camera's on 10%, so I gotta hurry up and wrap it up. But anyway, I do like this palette. It is gorgeous, popping. So thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.